Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at Yahoo, the basic of Yahoo. If you notice right up here, the basic of Yahoo. Because a lot of you have a Yahoo account, right? You know how to sign in, but you don't know how to send a message, reply, and all of these. So this definitely is a video for you, right? I'm going to show you some of the stuff that you're going to actually look at in the Yahoo, right? If you notice how to do the following in Yahoo account. The first one is how to sign into your Yahoo account, how to send an email, right? So you get the opportunity how to send an email, how to reply to an email, how to forward an email, how to change the background of the email, and right here how to sign out of the email. So very important. So these are what we're going to be looking at. So let us get started. The first thing that we wanted to do definitely is to bring up the internet browser. So we're going to click right one here on the bottom of our taskbar, and if you have it on your desktop yourself, you can actually open it definitely. So this is one that you can actually open. This also is the next one you can actually open, right? But you notice right here I have it in my taskbar here, so I'm going to click it like that. I'm going to open it, and then we're going to look at its instruction that says sign in, right? Some of you might sign in slightly different and all that, but if you notice the browser open right here. So what I want to type in is just type in just sign. Notice it says sign, and notice right here it says sign into Yahoo. So I'm going to click on that. So while I click on that, you notice the Yahoo login, Yahoo mail home. So when you scroll down, you notice the different type of stuff right there, Yahoo login and all that, right? So what I wanted to do, I want to click right here on the Yahoo login. So when I click on the Yahoo login, and notice immediately over here, see bring up another Yahoo sign right here, and right here it shows that this is the account. So I'm going to click on it. So while I click on this account, you notice enter the password. I'm going to enter the password. When I enter the password, I'm going to come right here, click next. This little stuff right here can actually show the password, so I'm going to click it just like that, right? And notice when I click it, I come like this. This does mean that you're in the account. Come right up here, it's a mail. You're going to click and that. Some of you might end up straight in, right? So notice now I'm actually in the Yahoo account now. Right, so what I want to look now is how to send the email. Very important, how you want to send the email. Right, first thing you want to do is come to your left where you see the word compose. Right, very important. So you're going to click on the word compose. When you click on the word compose, this is what come up. You notice this is a 2. Alright, so I'm going to put the email address. So this is the email address. You know, so as soon as I type M, right, I'm going to put the email address right there. So it will for a subject. Before I do that, I'm going to put an attachment first. Alright, if you notice this right here, look like a paper clip. I'm going to click on it. Notice right here, so I can share file from Google Drive, can share file from drop-down box, can attach file from recent email, and right here attach file from your computer. So I'm going to click on that particular route. So when I click, if you notice right here, bring up the desktop icon. If I come right here with it, put the cursor, and the cursor become an arrow, I can actually draw it like that. If I put it right here, you notice, draw it down like that, make it bigger that you can actually see. Some of you might not familiar with that, right? So definitely you can actually click, right, whether I have video or audio. I'm going to click on this. You notice I'm going to click on word open. When I click on the word open, you notice right here it's actually there, right? So for the subject, I'm going to put PDF document, right there. So, and on the bottom, we're going to indicate it to the receiver, right? So what you want to do is see file below. So what I do with this, definitely you actually show the person that there's a file below, because sometimes you send email and sometimes person don't realize that there's an attachment, right? So what I wanted to do now, I'm going to come right here, I'm going to click send. When we're going to click send right here, Good. You notice right up here, you notice it shows that it has been sent. Right, so we actually complete that task. So the next task we want to look at is how to reply to the email. Right, very important to reply to the email. Right, so let's scroll down. Let me look for one that can reply to. Alright, so this itself is an email, so I'm going to click right here on it. Right, if you notice right here is a reply. Let me right up here, this definitely is a reply, but otherwise you can actually scroll down just the same, and this also is a reply. So I click on that, you notice it bring up this right here, and then I can say thanks for the document, and then when I finish, I just simply come right here, so press send. You can also attach a file now, just the same. So we're going to come like that and click, and now right up here, so it shows that it has been sent. So now we know exactly how to reply to an email. So the next thing that we wanted to look at right here is how to forward an email. Right, so we're going to look at how you're going to forward the email. Alright, it's very important now. Alright, you notice I'm going to click right here, we're going to forward the email. Right, so I want to forward it, but if you notice this arrow right up here, say forward. Right, this is totally different from that of Gmail. Right, so come right here, you can actually do the same thing, just the same. So I'm going to click on the word forward. The forward here so to, so I'm going to put the person email right here. You notice when I click, and then right down here. Alright, there you go. Remove this. You can put more than one email, multiple email. You can come right here, click, and if you notice right up here, so it shows it has been sent. Right, so you are doing good so far. The next thing that we wanted to do, how to change the email background. Yes, very important, how to change the email background. Alright, because right here, notice my background, how it look like. I want to change the background. The first thing you want to do is to come to your right. You notice this right here, this settings icon. You're going to click on it. When you click on it, you notice the theme. If I click right here on this one, you notice my background right here, so change. I want to go back and get a different one. I'm going to click again. You notice the background change. Yes, and when you finish, you can come like that. And this is where you actually change the background. Very important, right there. Next thing that we want to look how to sign out of the account. So we want to do that, sign out of the account. So in order for me to sign out of the account, you notice I come right here, see my picture, but some of you might not see a picture, but you might have see if you start with like Marlon, you see M, and all that. So if you notice when I put the cursor point, you notice right here, it shows that I can add or manage account right here. So I must sign out. I can click right here. And I click right here, you notice I actually sign out an email. So this is how we actually manage the basics of Yahoo. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So remember to share it and consider to subscribe to this channel. So thanks.